All right, we'll go ahead and look at all three of these, but in reality, you really just need to figure out what it is that is happening and then to undo those things. So what we have here is we really have division. Multiplying by 1/2 is the same thing as dividing by 2, which is a D. And we also have addition. So when I do the problem, I divide first and then I add. So when I undo the problem, I undo the addition first, and then I undo the division with a multiplication. If you want to think of this as multiplying by 1/2, you would be dividing by 1/2, and dividing by 1/2 means multiplying by the reciprocal. But again, either way, it's very important the order. So this actually isn't quite done yet. We would need to simplify it to look like that. So again, you need to make sure that once you've done something, whatever that is, the whole thing, you do the next thing too. So parentheses are very important, and we need to be very good at using them in this case. Let's look at what we have here. We've got addition, we've got an exponent, and then this really technically is a parenthesis under here. Okay, so we are supposed to do parentheses and then exponents and then addition. So to undo all of this, we are going to go in the opposite order. We are going to undo the addition, which is subtraction. We are going to undo the exponent next, which is the opposite of cube rooting is cubing. And then I'm going to undo the parentheses, which is really just subtracting a 2, which means whatever this whole thing is, I add a 2 to the whole thing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and leave that. That's nice and simple and sweet, and multiplying that out would be a big help. Let's look at this last one here. So I have addition, I have an exponent, and I have a parenthesis again. So let's look and see what we have. I am going to undo this guy first. Oops, that's not how you undo addition, subtraction. And then I'm going to undo the exponent. And then I'm going to undo the stuff in the parentheses. So that would be the inverse function.